Are you wondering when to start using a pacifier or how to do it in a way that doesn't mess up breastfeeding? Here's how to introduce one in a way that's both gentle and supportive for you and baby. Pacifiers can be great for a baby. Sometimes they need sucking to self-soothe and they're not hungry, and that's why you would use a pacifier. The best time to give your baby a pacifier for the first time is when they're already calm and content. You want to introduce the baby to the pacifier after breastfeeding is well established. Most experts say between 3 and 5 weeks, but you'll know when the timing is right. When it comes to choosing a pacifier, you have lots of options. For your first time, select one that is most like a nipple in its shape, is made of soft silicone, and is in one piece. So the first time you give your baby a pacifier, you want to gently put it in their mouth, give it a little bit of support for the first few sucks, and if he spits it out, that's okay. He might be hungry, and then you would feed him instead. Try again at another time with the pacifier. Wash your pacifier often and watch for signs of wear and tear. Throw it out if it's ever like sticky, or there's cracking, or it gets stretched out. You can always just start a new one. Pacifier clips are great. They help to keep the pacifier from falling on the floor. Use them during the day, but not while they're napping or sleeping.